this is Jasper from Online Empire. In this video, I am going to talk about the 5 common mistakes that are always being made by the beginners in affiliate marketing. Alright, before I head to the point, I hope that you can click a like to my videos and subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified when I upload some new videos regarding to affiliate marketing, online business, or some topics related to make money online. So let's head to the first point. The first mistake which always being made by the beginners is that they think that affiliate marketing business can give them instant success. Please do not think in this way. Alright, everything in affiliate marketing or every aspect in affiliate marketing business needs time to establish. Alright, you need time to build a perfect funnel. You need time to create a perfect ad campaign, and also you need time to build up your email list or your followers. Alright, everything requires time. You have to be patient. You cannot expect you can create or you can earn huge ton of cash when you just started. It is not possible unless you have a very good coach who can do everything from A to Z for you, and you just wait for the money to come in. Alright, if you are doing it yourself, you have to be patient. Okay, so the second mistake is that beginners always target large audience group. They think that by targeting large audience group, sales will be easier to be made, sales will be easier to happen. This is not true. Actually, you should be as specific as possible so that you are promoting the product to the people who really need it. Okay, for example, weight loss product. There are billions of people who wants to lose weight. Alright, they wants to lose weight but they don't know how, and so these billions of people can be your audience. But actually you should narrow down these people based on their gender, based on their working status, based on their age group, and also based on the preferred method that they want to lose weight. Alright, by having a very specific target group of people, you can create bonuses or you can create stories to relate your product to these people much more easier. And having easier ways to create stories and bonuses, then you will find easier way to make sales, because you are offering things or you are relating the people with the product easily. You will not have difficulty to find the link between your product with the people that you are targeting. Okay, so please narrow down your target group. It will be much easier for you to run your online business, especially affiliate marketing business. And then the third mistake is that beginners give up easily. Okay, so back to the first point, everything in affiliate marketing business requires time to establish. Alright, please, and also because of being patient and you need time to establish your business, there might be at some point you might make some mistake and then you might lose some money because of the mistake. And a lot of beginners cannot deal with these kind of circumstances, and so they just quit. Please don't be like that. Alright, you should face it. You should find out which part that you make a mistake, you rectify it, and then you test out your system again until your system is perfected. Alright, please do not just give up. Another factor is that beginners think that it is easy to do affiliate marketing, but actually there are some tricks that you have to learn before you really start your affiliate marketing business. Okay, in fact, there are actually many good training programs in the market for us to learn about affiliate marketing and some related skills before we really start our affiliate marketing business. So please if possible, invest some money in these training programs to avoid yourself from making a lot of mistakes and losing a lot of money. Okay, and then the next common mistake, the fourth one, is actually shiny object syndrome. Okay, all beginners, most of the beginners will have this syndrome at the beginning point. I had it too, and I managed to pull myself out. Okay, if you are having shiny object syndrome, please pull yourself out of this syndrome. So what is shiny object syndrome? The easiest way to explain is that you are being greedy. Alright, people with shiny object syndrome actually will not succeed in their affiliate marketing business or other online business. The reason being is that these people will chase after those who created success in their online businesses. Okay, for example, Mr. A sees that Jasper is making a lot of money in his affiliate marketing business, and so he followed whatever Jasper did. Alright, and then after a few days, Mr. A sees that Russell Brunson is actually making much more money than Jasper did, and so he follows Russell Brunson now. You can see that he is doing what Jasper have been doing halfway, and then he just dump everything and redo everything, and because he wants to follow Russell Brunson. So he wasted a lot of time and he has to start from zero again. That is why Mr. A will have a huge difficulty to achieve success in his online business, because Mr. A is not focusing on what he is doing. Mr. A does not know what he wants to achieve in his online business. Okay, so please, if you have shiny object syndrome, remember your initial reasons of venturing into online business. Why you want to start online business? What is your end goal for your online business? Stick with it. Don't be attracted or don't be distracted by other people who are doing other kind of online businesses. Okay, like I said, Jasper is doing affiliate marketing business, and then Russell Brunson mainly is having success in his consultation business. These two businesses are different online businesses. So don't be distracted. Just stick with one field first, and then you have success in that field, then only you jump into another field. Alright? So the last common mistake beginners always make is that they are not being authentic and helpful to the followers or to their subscribers. Okay, not authentic means that some affiliate marketers use other identity in their online business. For example, I am Jasper Lum, but actually I am using Michael as my identity in my online business. Okay, so let's say one day my subscribers or followers discover that I am actually Jasper, I am not Michael. The trust will be broken, and so they might just unfollow me or unsubscribe from my email list, and then my online business will be crushed, will be gone in just one day, because I am not being authentic to the people, to the followers. Alright, so please be authentic to your followers or to your subscribers. Introduce yourself using your real name to your followers, and also let them see your face, let them know who you are, so that they know they are actually interacting with a real person, and then trust will be built. Okay, let them know who you are. Don't hide yourself from your followers. Okay, once you build your relationship, your trust relationship is there. To strengthen this relationship, you have to be helpful to these people, to your followers, to your subscribers. So actually there are a lot of affiliate marketers promoting the similar products that you affiliated, and so you have to do something to stand out from these competitors, from your competitions. And a lot of affiliate marketers actually just plainly promote the product to the leads, to the community. they are not providing extra values or better bonuses to those who bought the product from them. So if you want to stand out from your competitors, or you want to be helpful to your followers, you should do some research regarding the niche or the product that you are promoting, and then from the results you can create an ebook or videos to help those who bought the product from you. Alright, whoever bought the product from you will feel and receive your bonuses. They will feel that you are being very supportive and being very helpful to them, to help them to achieve what they want to get from the product that they bought from you. Alright, by being helpful and being authentic, your relationship with your followers, with your subscribers will be very good, and they will trust you. And by having this kind of relationship, in future, whatever you are going to promote to your followers or to your subscribers, they will trust you and they will just buy the product. That is how you create your passive income. Alright, you have to build a good relationship with your followers and subscribers. Be authentic. This is very important. You must let them know who you are. Alright, so these are the 5 common mistakes made by the beginners in affiliate marketing. So I hope that you will not make this kind of mistake anymore, and if you are making these mistakes, please do something, rectify your mistakes. And if you need more help, or if you have questions regarding this mistake or regarding your affiliate marketing business, please drop a comment. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Alright, lastly, this is Jasper Leung from Online Empire. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.